Hey guys, I stopped at Chick-fil-A on the way back home from bringing Markel back from his doctor. So this is what I got: chicken. This is actually my first time tasting Chick-fil-A. I never went there. I don't know. Everybody talk about it. Some people give bad comments. Some people give good comments. But this is what I'm gonna eat right now because I ain't eat all day. I am hungry. And this is chicken with the cheese, and I put some the sauce on it. So I'm gonna taste it.